Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back at Copart, Los Angeles for day 2 of our walk-arounds. We're going to start off with perhaps the most, well it is, absolutely, the most expensive car I have ever sat inside. Just wait till you get a peek inside this Rolls. Monkey Wrench Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
All right, here's the car. This is what we've been waiting for, everybody. Check her out. Yep, this is the car of the hour. 2018 Rolls-Royce Dawn in white over tan. Is this not the most beautiful car you've ever seen? Take a look at this. I'm afraid to touch it. If I touch it, is this going to go down or something? Hi, how you doing? Beautiful. All right. Look at the wheels. Rolls-Royce are always where they should be, right there. This car, I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous to even look at this car right here. Let's open the door and just kind of see what's inside. Oh. Okay. Look at this. This is something. Okay, airbag has been deployed, which is fine, but look at this interior. Oh my God. Okay, I've always wanted to do this my whole life. I've always wanted to do this right here. There it is. There's your umbrella. There it is, the Rolls umbrella that goes right here. And it stays there. All right, white and red and lovely. Can I sit in it? I don't want to get in trouble. Look at this girl. Look at her. I don't know what any of these things do. Here's your key. I'm afraid to touch it. The wood, the smell. Look at your clock. Gorgeous. It doesn't have a whole bunch of damage, really. Seriously, it's just this airbag and your windshield. Oh my gosh. Okay, now isn't there a thing that closes the door? Let's just see what happens right here. Can you make it? I don't know what I push to close the door. Top, key, engine stop, navigation, media, menu, heated and cooled seats right here. And this is your fan, I guess, soft, medium, high, max. Engine start and stop. Oh my gosh. Okay. You push a button somewhere, don't you, to make the door close? I don't know. This is incredible. This is beautiful. Let's just close it right here and see. There we go. Oh. Things are moving. My heart is beating. Oh my gosh. All right, here you have it, folks. There it is. The Rolls-Royce Dawn that I'm so lucky to be sitting in. Thank you so much. Just give you a quick little peek at the outside too. Look at this. Look at how beautiful. Yes, sir. And there's something going on. I guess it's part of the suspension or something. Look at this girl. Okay. Mikey likey. Mikey likey a lot. Oh, I guess you could have an umbrella over here too. All right, very quickly, I do want to show you the downside. There is a major downside. Look at the front, the fit, the finish. We have some issues. We have gaps. We have broken little pieces of this metal right here. I thought it was supposed to make a sound. I don't know, maybe it still does. But the headlights don't seem to fit very well. You got some chipped paint right here. And if we open the hood, it is beautiful. But there's a history to be told inside of here. Look at that, V12, Rolls-Royce. Nice, beautiful, but there's overspray. This car has been painted. This accident, it's an accident that has happened, that may just happen again with the new buyer, because you can feel the lip of the paint right there. And it's not even the best as far as matching goes. So this girl took a hit, pretty hard hit, but I love her and I would drive her forever, right? Forever? Yeah. Well, looky there. Look what we found. Look how uppity we are today.
A silver Spur.
A silver Spur. We've gone from a Dawn 2018 or 2019 to a, what is this one? This is a 91 Rolls-Royce Silver Spur. That, ooh, she hit a light pole. She hit a light pole. She's making a funny face. Look at that. But does this still do the thing? That's how they're supposed to sound. The other one didn't sound like that.
They cheaped out in the modern age.
That's what it's supposed to sound like. Well, maybe not the buzzing part. But look at this. And don't the lug nuts go the other way on one side still in this year? I don't know.
No, it's Chrysler.
99,000 miles. Oh, Randy's got the hood open. Okay, here's the old school 6 3/4 engine with the oil cap. That is cool. And it looks like an old Mercedes. That looks like an old Mercedes.
The Bosch
fuel distributor. Yeah. It looks just like it with the thing right there. Yeah. Wow. Okay, something's not connected. Your alternator's kind of sitting there, not connected. The hoses have seen better days. This is old school. I always think of mineral oil
for the suspension and
okay.
I think power steering or something too.
Okay. Do not use. Look at this. Okay. How cool. Very quickly, I just want to look inside and see what the wood looks like. And they got the seatbelt tied around it again. Yeah. Like that. How does it feel?
Oh, this is premium.
Yeah?
Premium.
Okay.
The smell.
Does it smell good?
It smells like wood and leather.
I can't even. Oh, they broke this. No, it's not. Okay, they just folded it. Let's put this back. I just got to see what it's like behind this wheel. Oh! Okay. It's a skinny little steering wheel. And what is this?
There's nothing wrong with that.
Leather? Okay. How about a little wood screen for your mirror? Ooh! The wood is in good shape on the dash. Oh.
I gift this to you for your birthday.
They even put a bow on it.
Happy birthday, Mike. Surprise, it's yours.
Thank you.
The bow, not the car.
He giveth and he taketh away. Okay. Look, the keys. Not quite as fancy. And what is this for?
Oh, I gotta make a phone call.
Call. Gosh. Okay. Do you think there's no way this will start? Right?
She'll start.
Let's just try. It doesn't even. Do you go upside down? Oh, the key goes upside down. No, it's dead.
You want me to jump it?
No.
You sure?
I don't want to waste your battery juice on an old Rolls.
I got 2 jump packs, man.
I don't think. No, I can't because the alternator's unattached.
Oh, you don't need that. Don't worry about it.
Okay. Here's old school Kenwood. Thank you very much. And then you have your temperature gauge, your switches. And this is what everybody says, the metal feel of the knobs right here. Isn't that nice? Wow. How nice. Okay, you even have the remote. Oh, the boot lock and unlock, key alarm, isolate, and the clock. I guess you adjust the clock right there. How cool is this? It's a goner, isn't it?
You can't start it. The alternator's not attached.
Oh, thank you. I didn't know that.
Yeah, I
right.
thought I'd let you know.
Okay. Well, this is what a 91 Rolls used to look like after a long, hard life. Wait, it's got 2 radios, CD player, 2 Kenwoods. That's fancy.
Different. A tape player and a CD player.
Dual radio zones.
Where's the 8-track?
Yeah, that's funny. All right, you want to see the back seat? There it is. One back seat for a very old Rolls. I like it though. I would still rock this car. Well, you know, I had to include this one right here. Randy's going to go find another cool car for us. All right? Yeah, we're going to catch up with him later, but I had to. I have to. This is the W222. Yes, I have a 220, I have a 221, and I would love to add a 222. This is the S550. I love the colors, I love the white, and I love the interior, which is tan. This is a 2014 S550 in lovely white. Where's the damage? I don't see it, I don't see it, I don't see it. I don't see it. Okay. I really don't see any damage, which means, of course, we have to go inside. And I want to show you the clown face, because once you see it, you can't unsee it. Oh, there's power too. Okay, so let's do this real quick. And I'll put this back, I promise. This is how they keep the steering wheel in place while they drag these cars from location to location. So I'll put this back. Yeah, because these guys out here at Copart have been so nice. So generous, helping us out. Okay. Now, what I want you to look at right here, can you see the face? See, smile. It's the creepy clown face. And that is, yeah, that's what it is. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. Let me see. Oh, the key's in it. Let's just see what happens. Oh, come on. Please start. Please start. Oh, she's alive. She is alive. What a nice place to be. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is up a little bit in quality, I think, from my S63 AMG. It's just got newer stuff. This is all digital. I have one digital and then actual gauges, okay? This is similar to what I have in mine. I have a cool clock. This is different. They have a two-tone dash, which is really nice. The dark brown over the tan. Left rear airbag malfunction, service required. Right rear, I don't know why. Okay. Oh, here we go. Bluetooth connected last. Let's see what happens here. No telephone, blind spot. Holy guacamole. Let's see if she goes front and backwards. Oh gosh, that's horrible. Okay, come on, girl. She doesn't go backwards. And she doesn't go forwards. What's the deal? Parking brake is off. See operator's manual. Okay, I'm just going to say it's low on transmission fluid. I'm not going to say the car has a bad tranny, but it might. But look how nice all these little pieces are. Ooh, baby. Where's that AC? Here it goes. Let's turn this on. What's that sound? I don't even know. And look at the lighting under the wood right here. Mine has that. This is just a different color. And there's the AC. Okay. Window switches. Yes. Oh, they both go up. Wait a minute. This one and that one go up with this button. And now that one doesn't work. Now that, wait, what? Go up. Now neither go up. What is going on? One button is doing both windows. What the heck? Okay. Let's put her back in park. We have no transmission at all. I'm very quick. I just want to look at the engine just to see the difference in the two. Here we go. Very quickly, here is your rear seat, which is curved and gorgeous and beautiful. And this is going to be the engine. Would I like to have this? Absolutely. Well, if the transmission worked, of course. And there you go. You've got a little bit of a knock. Tick, 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 tick. Oh, because there's no belt. There's no belt. There's no serpentine belt on this car. Well, they should turn it off so I don't have to buy it. Yeah, there was no serpentine belt on the old girl. All right, here you go. This is the 2014 Mercedes Clown Face S550. Finally, I did want to show you this very, very quickly. Okay, we're going old school on this car right here. Make sure the mic is on. Mic is on, and I got to tell you, I've always wanted one of these. 300 CE. Why? They're great cars. The 124 was a great platform, and they've got the pillarless look right there. Okay, it's a two-door. This is an 07 Mercedes ML350. No, it's not. This is wrong. That is way wrong. This is a 300 CE two-door in the Brazilian brown, just like my 560 SEL has, that I love. But I gotta tell you, I have always wanted one of these. I had the four-door version. I just want to see if it starts real quick because I'm falling behind and Randy's trying to get ahead. Here we go. Nothing. She's dead. But look at this. I love it. I gotta tell you. This always happens. The wood always cracks. Somebody did have money back in the day. They added a phone. Wow, that's gotta go. And the leather is starting to dry out a little bit. That's certainly savable. But I like this. I don't know why there's a microphone right there, unless there's some kind of a hidden radio in here somewhere. And you even get little holders for your cassette. Look at this. Say 206,000 miles. Would I have this in a heartbeat? Yes, because they are so easy to drive. They are so easy to park. And they're just cool little cars. They are little cars. And I have never seen one in this color with a dark brown. I really haven't. Not much room back there. But it is nice. And I love the old Mercedes leather. Yes, please. Thank you very much. And no, it's not an ML. It's a 300 CE in really great condition. Love, love, love these cars. And it has the chrome wheels that were so popular back in the day. Yes, sir. It should have a straight 6 in there. Okay. Do I want to open the hood real quick? I got to hurry up and catch up with Randy. Let's just do this real quick. Here we go. There it is. I would drive this back to Oklahoma in a heartbeat. Let's do this. And voila, the straight 6. And that is just pieces of the roof insulation that have fallen. Great engines. They just last forever and ever, and you get all this room to work on them. Take off the air cleaner. You got all the room you need over there. And a little bitty battery. All right, that's going to do it for another Copart walk around. Thank you to the Los Angeles Copart management team. Super nice people, super friendly. Everybody out here at the yard has been so nice and easy to work with. And they have, as you can see, some of the most amazing cars I have ever seen in my life. And Julia, my daughter, if you're watching, there's a Julia, Alfa Romeo Julia. And there's another one parked right over there in front of it. How cool is that? All right, that's going to do it. We are back with another video very, very soon. And who knows? Randy says I can turn these little walk-arounds into some money-making endeavors. So we'll see what happens with that. Who knows? All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye-bye.